for today's video, we're gonna make simple homemade mayonnaise recipes. So now, let's start our equipment. Use first apron. Yan, kailangan natin ng apron para hindi guys madumihan yung ating damit. Of course, hairnet. Yan, ito ang pinakakailangan natin. Hairnet. Face mask. And of course, hindi dapat sa atin mawala ang gloves. Guys, next is I will show you all the ingredients. So, we have a vegetable oil, 1 piece egg, white vinegar, salt, and of course, lemon juice. And meron din tayong mixing bowl. And lalagyan natin ng mayonnaise after natin gawin ito. Now, let's start making homemade mayonnaise. So, first, let's put the 1 cup vegetable oil. Next, let's put the 1 tablespoon vinegar. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. And next, let's put the egg, 1 piece egg. And let's add 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Then after we put all the ingredients in the bowl, let's mix. So guys, ayan, nilipat ko na siya dito sa ating baso. Kasi, yung laki-laki kasi guys nang ginamit ko kanina. Kaya, hindi ko gaanong nami-mix. Kaya yan guys, naglalapot na siya guys. Ayan, mix well lang natin. Then maya-maya mayonnaise na yan guys. Yung results na ang ginawa nating homemade mayonnaise. So, ayun guys, yun lang. Thank you. Thank you for watching.